Uh, Good morning, students. So today we will be studying about synonyms. Actually, synonyms are the words, or we can say they are the phrase. It can be a word or it can be a phrase that has exactly the same meaning. It has exactly the same meaning in the same language, but in order to improve our English comprehension, so we should try to use certain formal words, or we should use certain hard words, or a better words, so as to frame the sentences properly. Okay, so this is the main motive of studying them. Okay, so I will be telling you some of the points where I will be telling you the words and their accordingly synonyms. Okay, so first is savage. The synonym of savage can be uncivilized. Okay, second is jealous, envious. The synonym of jealous is envious. Third is fierce. The synonym of fierce will be furious. Okay, so instead of fierce, we can use furious word also. It is a synonym. Brutality, here the synonym of brutality is cruelty. Okay, and the fourth point is hate. Here the synonym of hate will be despise. Okay, we can use the word despise. In Hindi we say as nafrat, or the synonym will be grina. So these kind of words we can use while framing the sentences in order to improve our English comprehension. And while framing the sentences, we can use better words. Okay, against, here the sixth point is against. The synonym will be opposite. Then attack, the synonym will be invade. Like the emperors attacked, we can say, or emperors invaded us. So we can use both the words, but the which word looks better while framing the sentences, so accordingly you can use these words. Then fast, the other synonym will be fast, the synonym will be rapid. Then limitation, the synonym will be restriction. Okay, so there should be some restrictions, or we can use there can be some limitation. So both the words we can use, both have exactly the same meaning, but the synonyms, these are called as synonyms. Then mistake, so the synonym of mistake will be error. Synonym of supply will be give. Then distance, we can use the synonym of distance will be space. Give us some distance or give us some space, so we can use both the words. Then invention, so the synonym will be discovery. So invention, instead of invention word, we can also use the word discovery. Honor, the other word, the synonym will be respect. Okay, the respect, or we can say that honor. We should honor somebody, or we should respect elders, or we can honor. So both the words we can use. Then powerful, the synonym of powerful will be strong. Synonym of idea is thought, a good thought, or we can say it's a good idea. So both the words we can use. Then ancient, prachin, and the synonym of ancient will be old or purana. So purpose, here 18th is purpose. The synonym will be aim. Abnormal, irregular. Accurate, we can use the word accurate also while framing a sentence, or we can use the word correct also. It's a very accurate thing, or it's a very correct thing. So both the words we can use here. Then actual, the synonym of actual will be real. Adequate, sufficient, we have sufficient amount of food grains, or we can say we have adequate amount of food grains available to us. So both the words we can use. Allow, the synonym of allow will be permit. Okay, allow us to do this thing, or permit us to do this thing. Avoid, the synonym of avoid will be ignore. Beautiful, so two words here, we can use the word charming also here, or we can use the word pretty also here. So both are the synonyms of beautiful. Both the words we can use while framing the sentence. Okay, so the synonym of beautiful will be charming or pretty. Then grief, the synonym of grief will be sadness. Healthy, healthful. Humility, we can use the word humility. The synonym of humility will be humbleness. Okay, then idea, or we can use this term standard. So in food safety, what we are studying is standards. There has to be certain standards, or we can use the word idea also. Knowledge, the synonym of knowledge is information. Okay, so instead of knowledge, we can also use the word information, because both have exactly the same meaning or nearly the same meaning. Okay, so this is the meaning of synonym. The last one is large, vishal. So the synonym of large will be grand. So these are some of the examples which I have told you of synonyms. So you just have to learn. You should know that what is actually synonyms are. They are. It can be a word or it can be a phrase that has exactly the same meaning or nearly exactly the same meaning in the same language. So this is a definition of synonym, and I have told you some of 31 examples of synonyms. So you just have to remember the synonyms. So we should try to use these formal words, or we should try to use these words while framing the sentence, so as to improve our comprehension skills while framing the sentences, or we are going for a formal conversation, or with the or having a communication during the interview session. So we should try to use these words, so that our impression goes well. Here, I will end the today's topic. Thank you.